With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let us solve this question. The question says that which of the following is intensive property? Option A temperature, option B heat, option C mass, and option D volume. So in this question we have to tell that which of the following is intensive property, right? So basically in thermodynamics there are two types of property. First one is intensive property. Intensive properties are those which are independent of the amount of matter present in the substance, or you can say system. So it is independent of the amount of matter in the system. And another property is extensive property. Extensive property are just the opposite of intensive property. It depends on the amount of matter present in the system, right? So let us discuss the options given here. First one is given temperature. So temperature basically is an intensive property. It does not depends on the amount of matter present in the substance or system. Suppose we take here, we have a container. In that we have 500 ml water, right? Or you can take any 500 ml liquid. Now what happens, we will divide this liquid in two containers. Now in one container we take 250 ml and in another container we take 250 ml. Now what happens, suppose this 500 ml water has a temperature of T. So when we divide this water into two containers, right, so the temperature of these two containers will remain the same. The water in these two containers remain the same, right? By dividing the water, the temperature does not divide, it remains same, because temperature depends on the internal structure of matter, right? So here temperature does not change with matter, so temperature is intensive property. Then if we discuss about heat energy basically tells about the internal energy of the system. Internal energy of the system, right? And internal energy include both kinetic and potential energy, and we know that more will be the particles, more will be the kinetic energy, or you can say internal energy. So more number of particles means more heat energy, right? So heat energy is depending on the number of particles, right? So it means it depends on the amount of matter present in the system. So heat is extensive property. Now if we see mass we know that more is the amount of matter, more will be the mass, so it is also extensive property. Then we have volume. Volume basically tells about the space occupied by the matter. Space occupied by the matter, or you can say by the particles, is volume. So more will be the particles, more will be the space occupied by them, or more will be the volume. So volume is depending on the number of particles, so it depends on the amount of matter present in the system. So it is also extensive property. So in this question we are asked about intensive property. So intensive property is temperature. So option A is the correct answer. Therefore answer is option A. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.